Top 15 tips for using coupons and saving more money. Are you someone who wants to learn the art of saving money through coupons each week? Is grocery shopping getting more and more expensive at your favorite stores? Well, this video contains some creative tips that will allow you to hang on to your money by utilizing coupons. Only use coupons for products that you will actually use. You won't save any money by purchasing items that your family does not need or brands that you don't like just because you have a coupon. Cutting out coupons for items you don't use also costs you time, which could be better spent. You can find good coupons in many places. For instance, the Sunday paper alone usually contains hundreds of different offers. You can find coupons at the stores in their sale papers, in magazines and online, among other places. In fact, many websites and apps make it easy to locate, download and print coupons that best fit your needs. Though online, there are a lot of coupons on the internet that aren't available in your local papers. Not only that, but some companies offer internet-only deals that others are not going to get. Before you buy anything, check online and do a search to find any coupons available. Keep your coupons organized. If you are using a lot of coupons, it is important that you keep track of them. File them by the type of product they are for and how much they can save you. Be sure to keep an eye on any coupons that could be expiring soon. When you are cutting coupons, you should make sure you have a filing system that is labeled for each different grocery department. This will make it easier to find your coupons when you are planning a big shopping trip once or twice per week. You will save a lot of time by doing this. Make friends with the cashiers, particularly if you are in the same stores fairly often. It is important to be polite and thank them whenever possible. They can really help the process go much smoother if they aren't annoyed at having to scan all your coupons. Plus, they may even hook you up with some special deals and discounts. A little personality can go a long way. Try contacting the manufacturer directly. If there is a product that you love but don't often find coupons for, try contacting the company directly. Express your enthusiasm for their products and ask if they have any coupons available. Who knows, you may score some great deals on a brand you really love. Purge old or unwanted coupons from your collection routinely. Keeping your coupon stash filled with expired coupons is a waste of time and money since the clutter keeps you from finding the coupons that are most useful to you. Make it a point to clean out expired coupons every week or so. If you have a ton of coupons to use in a store, warn any customers who may be behind you in line. The cashier, especially a novice cashier, may take a lot of time to get through all of those coupons. One mistake can add multiple minutes to get a manager to fix the issue. Letting those around you know about your coupons is just good practice. Another easy way to get coupons is to use the social media resources you likely already have. Facebook and Twitter have many companies that use their sites for networking. Liking or following these pages can get you access to exclusive coupons that others may not have the chance to score. Join like-minded people on forums and social networks to really empower your couponing. Few things are loved by more people and with such passion as saving money, so find a site where people share their tips, codes and strategies to saving more money with the use of money-saving coupons. Think before you click the submit button. Always do an online search for coupon codes before making an online purchase. There are even whole websites dedicated to keeping databases of coupon codes. It only takes a few seconds and could save you a lot of money. Signing up for a couponing website is a good idea so that you can trade with people from other areas. Many companies will print coupons in one area of the country that they do not in others. They are still good nationally, but they may just not be available to you. Learn about stacking. Stacking refers to the policy of some stores which allows you to use both a store coupon and a manufacturer's coupon on one item. Using this policy can help you reduce the price of an item drastically, in some cases even making it free. Pay close attention to store coupons and match them up often. Buy more than one Sunday newspaper. Generally, it is recommended that a family should buy the same number of newspapers as they have family members. You can use these coupons to buy the many different items your family uses on a regular basis. If you don't use all the coupons, share them. Understand grocery pricing in general. You may think that getting a coupon means you are getting great savings, but sometimes that isn't the case. Know what the price of the item is in the first place, and keep an eye on price comparison websites that can give you a general idea of what the products are really worth.